Hi there and welcome to Crystal Interactive. My name is Lucy and I will be your tour guide showing you around the Crystal Studio today and introducing you to some of our latest developments here at Crystal HQ. So let's get started. Our green screen can fit up to 3 people and measures about 8 meters wide. There is about 2 meters of headroom space where you can also see our lighting rig attached. We have a 3 camera setup with 3 monitors flown from the rigging arms between these cameras, 2 displaying the program return feed and a third displaying any interactive activities, chat and Q&A on the Jam platform. This allows a continuous view of the program return feed and gives the presenter context of themselves against the backdrop or with their slides. This setup has also been adapted to enable us to bring in remote speakers or participants in an interview-style session. Remote speakers are viewable to the presenters on an additional monitor to the side of the screen. However, when we mix the remote speaker into the webcast, this provides the appearance of the live presenter looking directly at the remote speaker in the format of a newsroom-style interview. We can also affix teleprompters to these cameras when using scripts, which are controllable by remote to enable a more relaxed and streamlined experience for the presenter. Everything that the speaker needs is directly in front of them. No more distractions, no more awkward pauses, and no more squinting and sneaking sideways glances at screens trying to read audience questions and ideas. This means that they can really engage with their content and the audience in the moment with confidence and ease. As you can see, our studio was also set up with portability in mind and can be transported to the remote locations where needed. All we need is a 5 by 5 meter space with a ceiling height of approximately 2.5 meters. All the equipment can run on standard wall sockets. Not only can we take our green screen studio anywhere, but using it we can quite literally take our speakers anywhere too, all with just the click of a button. In our previous studio tour, I showed you our source room. This was made up of a 12 by 4 desk with 8 laptops on it, which allowed us to mix speakers into the webcast. We also showed you our control room, which allowed us to mix and stream our webcast. And now, thanks to our latest development, our control desk looks a little more like this. This piece of webcast control equipment is our latest Crystal innovation, otherwise known as our Fetch Box. This kit essentially grabs our remote speakers, live studio presenters and their camera feeds and enables us to mix them together into the webcast. The box incorporates all of the same facilities to mix together feeds, pin both our studio and remote speakers, bring in remote participants, in addition to controlling streaming settings, playing VTs, animations, and much more. Similar to our home studio kit, this piece of equipment is plug and play and can be remotely operated over a local network. With this new development, it is now easier than ever to take our webcast almost anywhere with all of our key equipment nested and fully integrated in the box. As for working space, we now have plenty of open spaces and facilities for visiting clients with high-speed Wi-Fi and additional meeting rooms for taking calls. We have 3 large rooms at your disposal for meetings, rehearsals, or quiet work, as well as a lounge area where clients can watch the show. That brings us to the end of our Crystal Studio tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of our latest innovations and developments. We hope to see you here again soon.